Yep. Big guy with his first graham cracker. There's Evie. She's got a graham cracker too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell big guy to eat it, huh? Say, eat it, big guy. Eat it, big guy. Is that your brother's name? Noah. How old are you? How old?
2.
You're 2?
Yeah.
Who's your doggy?
Noah.
Evie. Who's your doggy?
Noah.
Your doggy.
No, Toto.
Yeah, Coco. Thank you.
I think you.
All right, Noah, you gotta put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Much.
I don't think you get it. Here.
No. Noah.
There he goes. Noah's got the graham cracker.
I did that.
He did it. Hey, big guy. Big guy. Noah, you like that? Noah, hi. You're too concentrated on your graham cracker. Big guy. Big guy. Is that Coco? You want another cracker?
Yeah.
Can you say more, please?
Please.
Can you say more, please?
Please. More.
More, please?
Please.
Can you say thank you, Mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Yummy. I did it. I did it. And there's Big Guy with his graham cracker again. He loves it.
Yeah.
Big Guy. Hi. Give me a smile with those teeth. Show me those teeth. Show me those teeth. No teeth. Give me a smile. Abby, give me a smile. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
No.
All done?
Hold on.